Hey guys, it's Jesse. Welcome to Brick Design. Today I'm going to show you how to build this super fun sushi cart. I actually was inspired by the sushi chef. Say that 5 times fast. I was inspired by him to actually build his, mobile restaurant, what he would have at a festival or just selling sushi out on the street. So hope you enjoy. I packed in as many details as I could. There's a refrigerator unit on the back, a tabletop for the customers, and his whole little cooking area as well. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Check out my other videos as well, other building tutorials, furniture, all kinds of stuff, and like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.